Comfort at home isn't just about having a good heating and cooling system. In West Valley City, where winters can be cold and summers warm and dry, your windows play a major role in how your home feels every single day. If your current windows are outdated, drafty, or inefficient, they could be affecting your comfort more than you realize. Upgrading to modern replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to improve daily living. From temperature control to noise reduction, here's how replacement windows make a noticeable difference in West Valley City homes. Eliminating drafts and cold spots. One of the most common complaints from homeowners is feeling cold air near windows during winter. Older windows often develop worn seals, warped frames, or small gaps that allow outside air to seep inside. Replacement windows are built with advanced weather stripping and tight compression seals. When professionally installed, they create an airtight barrier that minimizes drafts. In West Valley City's colder months, this means no more chilly spots near the couch or dining table. Your home feels warmer and more evenly heated, without constantly adjusting the thermostat. Reducing heat gain in summer. While winters can be brisk, summers in West Valley City also bring warm temperatures and strong sunlight. Single-pane or aging windows allow significant heat transfer, making rooms feel hotter and forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Modern replacement windows feature double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills like argon, and low emissivity coatings. These features reduce solar heat gain while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. The result? Cooler indoor spaces and a more comfortable environment throughout the day. Maintaining consistent temperatures. Uneven temperatures from room to room can make daily living frustrating. You may notice that one bedroom feels warmer than the rest of the house, or that the living room overheats in the afternoon. Replacement windows improve insulation, helping your HVAC system maintain a steady temperature across all areas of your home. By reducing heat transfer and air leaks, they support consistent comfort in every room. This balanced indoor climate enhances everyday relaxation, sleep quality, and overall well-being. Reducing outside noise. Comfort also includes peace and quiet. Whether you live near busy roads, schools, or growing neighborhoods, outside noise can disrupt your daily routine. Multi-pane replacement windows act as sound barriers. The insulating space between glass panes dampens sound vibrations, significantly reducing exterior noise. For West Valley City homeowners, this means quieter mornings, better sleep, and more focused work from home environments. Improving indoor air quality. Old windows with poor seals can allow dust, allergens, and outdoor pollutants to enter your home. In seasons when pollen or dry air is present, this can impact indoor comfort. Replacement windows create a tighter seal that limits unwanted air infiltration. Combined with proper ventilation, this helps maintain cleaner indoor air and a healthier living space. Enhancing natural light without sacrificing comfort. Many homeowners worry that energy-efficient windows may darken their interiors. However, modern replacement windows are designed to maximize natural light while controlling heat transfer. You can enjoy bright, sunlit spaces without overheating in summer or losing warmth in winter. Lower energy bills, greater peace of mind. When your windows perform efficiently, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. This can lead to lower monthly energy bills and less wear on your HVAC equipment. Over time, these savings help offset the cost of installation while delivering consistent comfort. A smarter way to live comfortably. Replacement windows do more than upgrade your home's appearance. They transform how it feels day after day. By eliminating drafts, stabilizing indoor temperatures, reducing noise, and improving energy efficiency, they create a more comfortable living environment year-round. For West Valley City homeowners, investing in replacement windows is a practical step toward greater comfort, quieter spaces, and long-term value.